It started with my counselor suggesting it, and now I'm really considering plumbing. The most challenging part about today was probably the soldering, but even at that, it wasn't even that hard. You really just overthink it in the moment, but when you're actually doing it, it's not hard at all. I was nervous. I messed up once or twice, but with practice, it's gonna be really good at the end.
We are trying to enhance career and technical education throughout the region by bringing work-based learning opportunities so students have the opportunity to work on hands-on skills and learn a little bit more as far as what the plumbing industry entails, what are the different certifications that are needed to continue in this pathway. And it was an amazing opportunity for our students to be able to network with industry experts and learn directly from them. Not only did they learn about plumbing today, but they also received some insight as far as the other programs that the school offers as well.
I already applied, so I'm hoping I can come here and learn more.
We'd like to thank the districts who participated in this event in Region 1 for providing this opportunity to continue to enhance our career and technical education program throughout the region.